National Security Minister Dr. Chang has revealed that many of the murders in Western Jamaica have a direct link to lottery scamming and contract killings. Dr. Chang made the revelation while addressing journalists in Hanover. Anthony Lugg has our report.
Cascade, Hanover, has not been the same since 3-year-old Kamoil Williams and 27-year-old Tavares Stevens were killed. The incident is just one of many which has rocked several quiet rural communities, sparking concerns about a possible trend. On Sunday, Security Minister Dr. Chang visited the community.
I'd say for the last 3 months, pretty much everything, all the homesteads I've seen, the root of all of them are connected to scamming. People, taking people lists, getting money, collecting that shit, delivering the right amount, and then you have a shootout and one gets shot, then the retaliation comes.
But that's not the only trend involving scammers that has been emerging. Most of the attacks are said to be contract killings.
Scammers who are involved themselves, who are maybe have a level of intelligence and want to maintain a level of respectability, stay far from the gun and hire those they can find. It poses a challenge for the police and it increases the risk in the communities.
The Area 1 police have had their hands full for quite some time. Just recently, the police commissioner disclosed that Western Jamaica accounted for over 30% of the country's murders and said additional support would be provided. While the country awaits results from that move, head of the Area 1 Police Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers is insisting the police are making strides.
But in the last couple of weeks, for example, there have been several arrests of lottery scammers. There's a major one that was arrested last week in Westmoreland and other divisions. We have had the task force that is working in concert with MOC and all the divisions have a targeted approach, and there is also the revival, if you will, of the an anti-gang task force. Part of their mandate is lottery scamming. And what I'm aware of as well is that in another week or so, there'll be a lot of operations targeting scammers. And there's also the trickle-off impact of those as well, where we're going after their assets.
In the meantime, this appeal from the security minister.
When strange people come in there, they need to be reported to the police, right? And so more than that, even the men who are involved, they need to realize they can only protect their lives if they deal with the police.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.